Hello, today we are taking a virtual narrated walking tour of the CREST floor plan, being built now by Lennar Homes at Stewart Park in the Meadows of Castle Rock. The home we're touring today is a Lennar model home. So as we walk through, I will point out finishes and features that won't be included or offered in the home that you choose to purchase with Lennar. However, your brand new home will still be full of amazing upgrades. As you visit Lennar Homes, you'll notice the Everything's Included package right away. This means that unlike other builders in the area, you'll never have to spend tens of thousands of dollars above and beyond the base price of the home to upgrade the house the way that you want to have it. Almost everything that you could want is already included. The CREST has a lovely and very dramatic two-story vaulted entryway that will wow your guests. This staircase is standard, unlike most builders, wrapped in decorative wrought iron with a handrail stained to match your choice of flooring. Upon entering, one of the first features you'll notice is this beautiful standard flooring called Luxury Vinyl Plank, or LVP. LVP has really gained a lot of popularity in homes of all price points over the last few years because of its extreme durability and because it provides the look that you've been searching for without having to spend thousands of dollars maintaining hardwood floors. The CREST family room is an absolutely amazing place to unwind and relax after a long day. The space is flooded with natural light from the wall of big picture windows. Your luxury vinyl plank flooring is standard in this room for durability and convenience. And there's plenty of space for everyone to gather all together. No one will ever feel left out, as in this floor plan, this is truly the heart of the home and connected to the entire main floor. The wood wall behind the television that you're seeing is not an inclusion in your new Lennar home. However, this means that you have endless options for decorating this to your liking. The kitchen in the CREST is absolutely a showpiece. Just look at that slab granite island with room for seating, and you can have it outfitted in the granite selection of your choosing. The cabinetry is upgraded with crown molding and again comes in your choice of style and finish. There's a stainless steel appliance package with side-by-side refrigerator and gas range, and your luxury vinyl plank flooring is standard here. This is a space where any chef from novice to professional will absolutely love to spend time. There's even a sunny eat and dining nook that makes the perfect place to gather together for more informal meals or on your holidays and special events for years to come. One of the features that makes the CREST floor plan unique and highly desirable is the main floor bedroom and full bathroom, which can certainly be used as a home office or playroom if you prefer. Tucked behind the kitchen is a very functional space called the owner's entry. You enter here from your garage, and it makes a perfect place to sit down, take off your shoes, hang up your coats and backpacks, and keep that everyday clutter out of the way. It also makes a very short walk from the garage to the kitchen when you're carrying in groceries. The CREST loft is one of my very favorite spaces, and I'm sure you can see why. This makes a great second living area, home theater, playroom, office. Really, you can use it for anything that you like, but it's not so far removed from the whole home that people spending time here will feel isolated. The feature wall behind the couch is not an inclusion in your new Lennar home, but this is a fabulous space for you to come in and decorate exactly the way that you like it. This laundry room makes this everyday chore less of a bore. It's upstairs right alongside all of your bedrooms for convenience and has a ton of much needed storage space. The master suite is very luxurious with a decorative coffered ceiling, big picture windows streaming in natural sunlight, and plenty of room for any bedroom set that you like. The decorative feature wall behind the bed in this model home is not available in your new Lennar home, but again, that gives you endless opportunities for choosing your own decorating style. The 5-piece ensuite bath feels like a spa with a feature soaking tub, dual slab granite vanity, and a fully tiled shower with bench. Don't miss the oversized walk-in closet. Both secondary bedrooms are very spacious and share an adjacent full bath with dual vanity. And don't forget that fourth full bedroom with full bath on the main floor. The Meadows at Castle Rock is Douglas County's most desirable community because of its amenities. There's a community center called The Grange, multiple swimming pools, a splash pad, miles and miles of walking trails and parks, and very close proximity to downtown Castle Rock, which is America's favorite small town. There are activities happening in downtown Castle Rock all year long and absolutely amazing entertainment and dining opportunities. You're very close to the Denver Tech Center and Colorado Springs. Come visit today to see why everyone loves calling Castle Rock home. Lennar's Everything Included package really is the most comprehensive list of standard features you will find anywhere in town. All of these homes come standard with professionally landscaped front and backyards and whole home window coverings. Those will save you tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket when you go to move in. Lennar also frequently offers closing cost incentives through their preferred lender, Eagle Home Mortgage. So be sure to ask your salesperson for more details on what's available for you today. And don't miss the Lennar's Everything Connected home with smart home equipment you won't find anywhere else. To learn more about Lennar's new homes at the Meadows at Stewart Park in Castle Rock, visit www.lennar.com or call 303-416-5624 to make an appointment today.